Hey guys, finally he sleeps here, back again with another GearHeads video. Today we are going to do an unboxing and review on the CGSULIT SC530 multi-system scanner. This is much more than just like an OBDII reader or scanner. This is a diagnostic tool, bi-directional test tool. It has a lot of functionality. If we look here on the front, it shows about everything from oil pressure, battery, ABS brakes. There is a way to actually go in and test it. Now, the other thing about this is it is model specific, and the model we have right here that we are going to be testing is for Honda. We're going to take a look at my daily, my Honda Civic, which is almost 300,000 miles. There's a lot of videos here on the channel specifically for that Honda Civic. And there's no codes coming up right now, but this thing does so much more than just read codes. So we should be able to see some live data and figure some stuff out. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It comes with cable. This is the OBD2 cable. There's this is charging port. Actually, it's not a charging port. This is for doing updates because you can update the scanner. You don't have to actually charge it or do anything. Power comes directly from the OBD2. Let's see, what else do we have? Here it is. This is the actual scanner. Nice. It's quality wise, it's about like every other scanner. Wait, we get to peel. Oh, love it. So then we will plug the cord in. And because this is brand specific, this scan tool, and it's set up specifically for Honda, if you pick one of these up for your vehicle or you have multiple of the same make, let's say you have multiple Hondas, you keep it in your stuff, or if you just put it right into your car, because it is model specific, this will probably stay in the Honda. All right, there it is. There's the tool. Let's go ahead and test this out and see what all functionality we can get out of it. So here we are in the car. I've got it connected. The cable's connected into the OBD2. I've got the key kicked over to the on position, and we see this is not touchscreen. We are using the buttons. I've got it over onto the Honda setting. We're going to go ahead and click yes. It's got smart VIN, manual selection, or comms interface position. We are going to go with the smart VIN. Here, I don't want to show you my VIN, so we'll select it, see what happens. There, it's loaded. F2, okay. Good. All right, so we are in. We can quick scan, control modules, vehicle details, special functions. Let's go down to special functions, because that's kind of what I want to see more than anything. Throttle bleed, brake bleed, change tire size. So these are all the things that you would have to do at the dealer. Tire pressure monitoring system, steering angle, oil pressure. Is this the reset to do electric parking brake, oil reset, registering new keys, brake bleed, throttle. Love it. Let's go up to quick scan. Yes. Check the following condition before shift to park neutral. Execute test. Check will take some time. Do you want to execute? Yes, F3. So we'll see how long this takes. Pass no fault. There's a fault in the airbag system. 300,000 miles on this car. I'm assuming there's going to be some faults. Anti-lock brake system. ABS has been giving me some weird issues lately. So let's see what the scanning comes up on that. Curious to see how long this all is going to take. 48 modules to scan. I just got a check brake system. Check ABS light just came up. while it's checking for faults. There's got to be a sensor somewhere. Fault there too. No fault, no fault. I'm rethinking this. I didn't want to test out this diagnostic tool and then give myself a whole lot of stuff to do. So again, this is not just a code reader. This is a diagnostic tool. It's completely different. Brake system, no fault. Let's see what the fault is. Does it allow us? Please wait. Read data. Read codes. Driver's airbag first inflator. We're going to erase it. Where we can get into control modules. Engine control system, airbag control system. There are also live data, electronic power steering control. Tire pressure monitoring. Let's see if there's something that we can actively screw around with. No codes found. Live data. Here we go. What can we see? Intake manifold. There's a lot of live data feeds here. Sensor data. There is a plethora of things that you can do with this. Vehicle status. There's so much in here that is available as a diagnostic tool. This is going to be really useful, especially in specific areas of the vehicle. Are we sure we want to exit? Yeah, let's exit. Back to the original. Go back into the Honda. Very impressed with this tool. That's it. The CGSULIT SC550 diagnostic multi-system scan tool it's pretty impressive. As a brand specific. Now, not all the functionality that I have here with the Honda may not relate over to all models. In fact, depending upon what brand you're using, if you're using a European, let's say it goes to BMW or Mercedes, they probably have a lot more functionality. Again, this was my daily. That is basically the POS that I've been driving for the last 11 years. That's why it has 300,000 miles on it. So not a lot of functionality in the car compared to some of the newer vehicles. So there can be additional stuff that you can do here. So depending upon the vehicle, some things you need to, register keys, or this is going to give you almost every functionality that you would need to go to the dealer, where you would have to go to the dealer to register a battery, to register keys, that kind of things. This will give you that ability to do it at home. You can pick these up. Pretty much Amazon's probably the easiest way to get them, and the link will be in the description for that. They're not expensive for what it is. It is excellent. Now, there are definitely code readers out there that are much cheaper than this, but this is not a code reader. This is a diagnostic tool. This is a test tool. This allows you to get into all the modules. There's so much more going on here that makes this a light years ahead of what most people would think of as a code reader. So, diagnostic tool, scan device, bi-directional, very, very cool. This is awesome. All right, that's it. Highly recommended. He sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams. In a world of games it seems